Let's begin with standard 10th, geometry, chapter 6, trigonometry. We'll beginning with today with exercise 5.1, finding the trigonometrical values. You can see that we have only two exercises and a problem set. You can see that in exercise 6.1, there are many questions, but you can see this first 5 questions. These 5 questions are from 9th standard syllabus. Find the trigonometrical values. One trigonometrical ratio will be given to you, find the other. These questions which you are able to see, question number 6, in that there are 12 questions. They are all prove something in a trigonometrical ratio. And 6.3 is nothing but 6.2 is nothing but practical applications. In yesterday's class, we studied that the trigonometry is nothing but the analysis of right angled triangle. Analysis of right angled triangle. Basically, it deals with the relationship between the sides and the angles of a right angled triangle. Last year, we have studied that the ratio of any two sides of a right angle triangle is dependent on the angle of a triangle. So we have studied last year sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, where tan theta is also nothing but sin theta upon cos theta. In yesterday's lecture, we introduced to you 3 more trigonometrical ratio. They were cosecant, or also called as cosec theta, which is nothing but reciprocal of sin theta. Secant theta, also as sec theta, which is a reciprocal of cos theta. And cotangent theta, popularly called now as cot theta, which is nothing but a reciprocal of tan theta. But as we know that tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, cot theta will be cos theta upon sin theta. So we have studied 1, 2, 3 last year, but here we have studied 4, 5, and 6 ratios. Also yesterday we studied that sine square, 3 identities. They are sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. You have also studied the table of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree for sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin 0 degree is 0, 30 is 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1, write this right to left, 1, root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, and 0. And tan theta is 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3, not defined. In the same manner, we can also define cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. We'll be sharing these values with you, but they are the reciprocal of the above thing. That's all. Now, friends, we have studied this ratios. We have also studied the relationship of the identities. We only need to know them. So, in short, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta, and the 3 identities we have studied last time. cos 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta, these values are not required this academic year. Means there are problems not there on this basis, but we should know them. I have talked about this table already. I have already derived these trigonometrical identities. You should only know them. You need not prove them. Now, when you are writing this chapter, a kind request, the formulas. It is very difficult to remember the formulas. So you can see that I have written the formulas in two methods. Either write in the full form over here as you can see, or in short over here. So write it above the every page, at least 20 pages if you write sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Same way cosec theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side is equal to sin theta upon cos theta equal to 1 upon cot theta, and so on. And in the last three identities. Now you will be asking is, sir, I cannot write this in the above the page. I can understand. Space is not there. Use 2 to 4 lines of the page also, no harm. So in every answer when you are writing, write these formulas. Now our today's session will consist of only 8 answers. I will be sharing this PDF file along with you. The first question P1 is from exercise 6.1 question number 1. If sin theta is 7 upon 25, find the value of cos theta and tan theta. So what I have done is I will be using a 9 standard method for the time being. Remember the K method which we used? We'll be using the K method. So even in 10 standard you can use it, but there are certain times not possible. So I have drawn a right angle triangle. I hope you are able to see the right angle triangle. Just a minute, let me get the pointer over here. Yeah, I hope you are able to see the right angle triangle. I have taken let in right angle triangle ABC, angle B of course is 90 degree and angle C is taken theta. Since the question is given with sin theta, what is sin theta? Opposite side to angle theta upon hypotenuse, which is AB upon AC in the figure. But what is sin theta given to me? 7 upon 25. Therefore, AB upon AC will be 7 upon 25. Now, AB is not 7, AC is not 25. AB is 7 times and AC is 25 times. We have studied last year in ratio and proportion chapter. So what we'll do is we'll split them. Let the common multiple be K. Therefore, AB is 7K and AC is 25K. Now, what kind of triangle is this? It's a right angled triangle. So which is the best formula I can apply in a right angle triangle? Pythagoras theorem. So I'll apply in a right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Therefore, BC square can be calculated AC square minus AB square. What is the value of AC? 25K. AB 7K. Open the bracket. Take the positive square root. How much will be BC? 24K. Now I got BC also. All three sides are known to me. So cos theta. Adjacent side to angle theta upon hypotenuse. Substitute the values. K will get cancelled. You got 24 upon 25. Same manner, tan theta, opposite side to angle theta upon adjacent side to angle theta, AB upon BC equals to 7K upon 24K. K got cancelled, you got the answer 7 upon 24. This is a good method for doing the answer, no harm in that. But in 10th standard, we expect our children to use alternative method, and that is called identity method, using trigonometrical identities. So let's do this answer once again. And it is a shorter method and you will like this method of faster and better. What is sin theta? 7 upon 25. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, what is cos square theta? 1 minus sin square theta. What is sin theta? 7 upon 25. Open the square, cross multiply. You got cos square theta is 576 upon 625. Take the positive square root. How much is cos theta? 24 upon 25. Therefore, how much is tan theta? Sin theta upon cos theta. That is 7 upon 25 divided by 24 upon 25. Now, division will become multiplication. So, there will be a reciprocal of the right side. 24 upon 25 will become 25 upon 24. 25, 25 got cancelled. It is 7 upon 24. See this answer faster and better. try to remember one more thing. Whenever you are solving problems of this type, only use one identity. Do not use more than one identity at a time. Because if I know sine theta, I can calculate cos theta. I can find all the remaining four trigonometrical values. Same way, any identity you use, you can use it. Another P2, again sine theta is given, find the value of cos theta. Sine theta is given. Here it is mentioned using trigonometrical identity. I cannot use 9th standard method over here now. So again, cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. Substitute the value of sine theta is 11 upon 61. I'll get after calculation cos square theta is 3600 upon 3 upon 3721. Taking the positive square root, I got the answer. Now, if I use 9th standard method, answer will be lengthy. But 10th standard method says it is easier, faster, better. Okay. When you're practicing this answer, only cos theta was asked. Also find out the other trigonometrical ratio, like for example, sec theta. While I'm explaining this, because so in future you can know that in the question answers are asked. What is sec theta? 1 upon cos theta. 1 divided by 60 upon 61. When you might multiplication, reciprocal will become, you got the answer. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta, same method. See the interesting thing, tan theta, sine theta upon cos theta, cos theta upon sine theta. That's just for understanding purpose, only cos theta was asked, remember that in this answer. Now it's a beautiful question. P3, if tan theta is 3 upon 4, find sec theta and cosec cos theta. Now, two methods are there, 9th standard and 10th standard. I'll use 10th standard. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So what is sec square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. What is the value of tan theta? 3 upon 4. Take the square, cross multiply. We got the answer after calculation as tan sec square theta is 25 upon 16. Take positive square root. I got the answer 5 upon 4. What is cos theta? Reciprocal of sec theta. So 1 divided by 5 upon 4, 1 into 4 upon 5, we got the answer 4 upon 5. Now, again P4, if tan theta is 2, find all the other trigonometrical ratios. So again, we know the identity, sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. How much is tan theta? 2. 2 the whole square is 4. So how much is sec square theta? 5. Take positive square root. I cannot find it. So it is square root of 5. I can immediately find cos theta. 1 upon sec theta is equal to 1 divided by root 5. I got 1 upon root 5. Now it is interesting. Tan theta I know 2. Sec theta I know square root of 5. Cos theta I got the answer 1 upon root 5. Now how to find sin theta? Do not use any other identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. We already have tan theta and cos theta. So what is tan theta? Sin theta upon cos theta. So what is sin theta? Tan theta into cos theta. 2 into 1 upon root 5. 2 root 2 upon root 5. See the simplicity of the answer. I do not have to use any other trigonometrical identity. Same answer I got it. Cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta after calculation root 5 upon 2. And cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta, which is 1 upon 2. Now, P4 can be asked in another method. What is tan theta? 2. What is tan theta actually? Sin theta upon cos theta. So, sin theta upon cos theta is 2. So, in the examination, they can ask you sin theta is equal to 2 cos theta, or cos theta is half sin theta, or sin theta minus 2 cos theta equal to 0. All these three questions are same as tan theta equal to 2. So whenever such relationships are given in the examination, convert them into single term and do like the P4 answer. P5, cot theta is 40 upon 9. Find the value of cosec theta and sin theta. So cot theta is 40 upon 9. I know one identity of cot theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So what is cosec square theta? 1 plus cot square theta. What is the value of cot theta? 40 upon 9. the whole square will write it. Open the bracket, cross multiply. After calculation, cosec square theta is 1681 whole upon 81. Taking positive square root, cosec theta is 41 upon 9. I got cosec theta. Sin theta is asked. So sin theta is a reciprocal of cosec theta is missing. Please write it over there. 1 divided by 41 upon 9 is equals to 9 upon 41. P6. We only got 10 minutes, children. So let's continue. Sec theta is 13 upon 12. Okay, find all the trigonometrical ratio. So immediately, what is sec theta? I can use cos theta is 1 upon sec theta equal to 12 upon 13. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, sin square theta is after calculation 25 upon 169. Taking positive square root, sin theta is 5 upon 13. I have used over here sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. But you can use 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta also. You will get the answer. Same way, calculate cosec theta as a reciprocal of sin theta, tan theta as sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta as a reciprocal of tan theta. You will get the answer. Now, already we have discussed this in one of the questions. Phi sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equal to 0. Find the value of sec theta, cos theta, and sin theta. Now, this question is actually interesting because there are two ratios are given, phi sec theta and minus 12 cosec theta. Take 12 cosec theta negative on the right hand side, it will become positive. What is sec theta? 1 upon cos theta. What is cosec theta? 1 upon sin theta. Write the reason. Cross multiply. Sin theta upon cos theta is 12 upon 5. Tan theta is 12 upon 5. Remember, we have discussed such kind of answers in P4. Again, now I have to find the values. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So substitute the value of tan theta. You will get the value of sec square theta is 169 upon 25. Take positive square root. You will get sec theta. Now, once you know sec theta, I know cos theta, reciprocal of sec theta. Now, I know tan theta, I know cos theta. So I can find sin theta once again by tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Therefore, sin theta is tan theta into cos theta. I'll get the answer. Do not use any other trigonometrical identity because I have already used one identity. But in examination, if you say, sir, if I forgot and if I use another identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, yes, you can. No harm in that. Last question, P8. Tan theta is 1. Many questions were based on tan theta. Find the value of, this is a new question, sin theta plus cos theta whole upon sec theta plus cosec theta. Now we know the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Substitute the value of tan theta is 1. We'll get sec square theta is 2. Taking positive square root, sec theta is square root of 2. Cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta. Using tan theta formula, sin theta upon cos theta, I got sin theta as 1 upon root 2. Now, since already I know sin theta, I know cos theta, I know sec theta, I know cosec theta. Did we calculate cosec theta? Oh no, we did not calculate cosec theta. We need to calculate cosec theta, reciprocal of sin theta. I have not written over here. We need to write that. Okay. So we'll write it. And then we'll substitute it. Sin theta plus cos theta whole upon sec theta plus cosec theta. Try to understand this calculation. This is 9th standard calculation. 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 whole divided by square root of 2 plus square root of 2. 1 apple plus 1 apple, 2 apple. 1 orange plus 1 more orange, 2 orange. So these two will be add up. It will become 2 upon square root of 2. 1 plus 1 as 2 whole upon square root of 2. And 1 orange plus 1 orange will become 2 orange, 2 square root of 2. So I got 2 upon root 2 into 1 upon 2 root 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 will get cancelled. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Oh, friends, you must be thinking this is a very difficult answer. Here is the shortcut for you. We know that tan theta is 1. But according to the table, what is tan 45 degree? Also 1. So by comparison, what is theta? 45 degree. So what is sine 45 degree? 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 degree? 1 upon root 2. Sec 45 degree? 1 upon root 2. Cosec 45 degree? Root 2. So substitute the values, you will get the answer. Somebody is playing with the screen. So we got the answer. So we come to the end of the today's session. Okay.